Get your greens in through December with this easy, refreshing, oxalate-free green drink recipe.
A green drink that I make about once a week. I just make it, fill up a pitcher, leave it in the fridge, and have about 6 to 8 ounces of the green juice every morning. So all I put in mine is chop up 1 apple, do 4 to 5 sticks of celery, chopped up, about 1/3 of a cucumber, juice 2 lemons, just a flat of wheatgrass, and this will last me 3 rounds of green drinks typically. So half for one, half for the other, and then I just like shear off the rest for my 3rd one. So we're on my 3rd round. I buy organic arugula, and I just keep it in the freezer. It stays fresh because all I'm using it for is my green drink. So once I chop that up, I put that all in here, fill it up with a little bit of water, do just like a splash of organic apple juice, and then I like to do like 6 to 8 drops of just like organic stevia that comes in liquid form, so you can do it that way. That's all you need to know. Ready, set, go. Otherwise, I'm gonna just do it really quick and you can watch. So, chop that apple. And I should say, I have a Vitamix, so that blends things really well. If you wanna go full pull and do the juicer, that's amazing too. I'm trying to be time efficient, and so I just would rather just pulverize everything in my Vitamix. I think the Ninja is a good blender too, so if you have a powerful blender, this works just as great. Yeah, I guess, I mean, you do have to add water, so maybe that is an argument against a little bit less nutrients, but you're still getting it, so. Apples. Okay, then I chop up the celery. This is already all washed, by the way. Celery in. Do that about 1/3 of a cucumber. Oh, yes, JJ, can I help you? Oh, would you like something else?
Yes.
Mom life. Okay, come here, I'm gonna do a green juice. You want a green juice? Okay, we're gonna just shear off the rest of this wheatgrass here. I know I could probably grow my own wheatgrass, but I don't have time for that right now. Someday. Wheatgrass. Get some arugula. Yeah, handful. Okay, nice and full-ish, as you can see. I'm gonna juice. Yeah. Okay, juice that lemon. Both lemons. Don't spray yourself in the face. Okay. I'm gonna go over here, fill it up with some water out of my fridge. A little splash of apple juice. Splash. And a couple drops of the stevia. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Lid on tight and blend. Okay. And pour it into our pitcher, which you will keep refrigerated.
It's my turn. Look at
For your week. Now you have green juice every morning. Enjoy. Tastes good too. You'll like it.